So I'm gonna do a
2-minute natural makeup challenge for the ultimate
poolside posing.
So I'm going to start off with this skin tint, which I absolutely love. It makes your skin so flawless. So it's by NYX and it's called Bear With Me.
Today I'm going to use NYX Bear With Me. It's a tinted skin veil.
This is just kind of like something to make the skin look glowy, flawless. It's got a little bit of coverage. You can also build on it as well. It's 8-hour wear as well, so that is absolutely amazing for when you're out in the sun.
It's actually not my colour, so I'm going to use it as foundation, and that is key to looking awake. Like just slapping on a bit of something, you know?
It's nothing too heavy, so I'm just gonna apply like a little bit just across here. You can use it with your fingers, you don't have to do it with a brush. It's completely up to you how you want to apply it.
But we're just gonna slap it in like Vaseline.
It just gives you a little bit of coverage, a little bit of a glow, which I really like.
Then we get some mascara on.
Paradise waterproof mascara.
And you know what? I was gonna do a eyebrow tint, but we're gonna run it through the brows as well.
This is good because if you go into the pool and things like that, you know it's not gonna run.
It's got a nice big one. This is really good for like catching your lashes and just quickly boom, boom, boom.
Amazing.
And ta-da!
I never usually wear waterproof, but the only reason I have chosen this is because when you're kind of sweating out in the sun and like if you go into the pool, at least you know that this is not gonna run and you're not gonna kind of get like black circles under your eyes. So this is a really good choice as well.
I find really important is you always gotta have a little gloss or something on the lips. So we're gonna go with Maybelline Superstay Ink Crayon.
So now I'm just gonna go with a lip plumper lip gloss. So it's only clear, also from NYX, and already I can kind of feel it like tingling.
Then we're gonna use NYX Fillet Instinct or NYX Fillet Instinct. You never see me without my gloss. So we're gonna go for the gloss.
Amazing. And now I'm just going to finish off the look by just adding some Bear With Me setting spray, just so it all stays.
You don't really want to powder your face and look ashy beside the pool, so what I find important is NYX Matte Finish Long Lasting Setting Spray.
Just going to give that a few sprays. And voila, you are all set to go. Absolutely love this product. I just literally looked in the mirror at myself and my skin is looking flawless.
Usually I'm a full makeup type of girl, but when I do have days like this is my go-to.
So I think all 3 of these products is literally all you need just to create that natural poolside look. I would definitely recommend especially this, just because it is the 8-hour wear as well, and it just gives you a flawless finish.
So this is the ultimate set for poolside posing.